Guess the plagues of different countries in 5 seconds. So let's start. Guess the first one. It's Kenya's plague.
Guess this one.
It's Ghana plague.
Guess this one.
It's Mozambique plague.
Guess the plague.
It's South Korea's plague.
Guess this one.
It's Canada's plague.
Guess the plague.
It's Israel's plague.
Guess this one.
It's Japan's plague.
Guess this one.
It's Congo's plague.
Guess the plague.
It's Cote d'Ivoire's plague.
Guess the plague.
It's Tanzania's plague.
Guess this one.
It's Liberia's plague.
Guess this one.
It's Niger's plague.
Guess this plague.
This is the plague of Switzerland.
Guess the plague.
It's Sweden's plague.
Guess this plague.
This is the plague of Sierra Leone.
Guess this one.
It's Iran's plague.
Guess the plague.
It's South Africa's plague.
Guess this one.
It's Algeria's plague.
Guess this one.
This is the plague of Guatemala.
Guess the next one.
It's Equatorial Guinea.
Guess this one.
It's Angola's plague.
Guess this one.
It's Mauritania's plague.
Guess this one.
It's Georgia plague.
Guess this one.
It's Peru Iceland.
Guess this plague.
It's Estonia's plague.
Guess this one.
It's Lesotho plague.
Guess this one.
It's Venezuela's plague.
Guess the plague.
It's Spain's plague.
Guess the plague.
It's Azerbaijan's plague.
Guess this one.
It's Kyrgyzstan's plague. Guess the last one. This is the plague of Serbia. Please subscribe the channel for more informative videos.